Doctors tell you gray hair is just aging. What if they are straight up wrong? There is one nutrient, yes, supplement or nutrient, which can put it to a stop, reverse it. We will talk about it. Your follicles are literally getting bleached from the inside by massive hydrogen peroxide buildup. But here's what most people miss. You can slow it down, stop new ones from forming, and yes, you can even reverse early grays. Today, I am going to break down exactly why it happens, the daily habits speeding it up, and more importantly, the 3-step protocol which actually works in slowing it down and even reversing graying. 3 steps, and in the end I want to talk about that powerful supplement and nutrient which can help you the most from all of these things I am going to mention in that video. So stick until the very end. I am going to really drop that one to you, and it might surprise you. It is, however, super powerful and backed by randomized control trials and science, which I will leave for you as always in the video description down below. Let's get straight into it. So number one, let's start with what actually really is going on inside your scalp. I want to give you an understanding so you know why the steps I'm telling you are so powerful. Your hair color comes from melanocytes in the follicle bulb pumping out melanin. Right? With age and modern life, of course, hydrogen peroxide, yes, the exact chemical in hair bleach actually builds up because the cleanup enzyme catalase drops off and goes lower with aging, right? Studies measured millimolar levels of H2O2 in gray follicles, oxidizing the pigment machinery, exhausting stem cell reserves that flee in the damaged niche, and actually frying the mitochondria that power the whole process, right? So it's like your color factory is under siege. Cleanup crew is missing, power plant failing, workers in your hair basically bailing. So accelerators make it explode, right? Chronic stress spiking your norepinephrine that actually kicks the stem cells out. One study actually tracked the same hairs and saw them gray during high stress, then repigment when stress dropped. Smoking, for example, poor sleep, dehydration, sedentary days, overtrading without recovery. This is something I'm very guilty of sometimes. I'm trying to improve that. And of course, shortfalls in vitamin B12, zinc, copper or iron, all fixable and shown to bring color back in these case reports, right? In fact, I actually remember a story of my grandma. She told me that they had back in the days with major stress, some people who grayed overnight. It shows how crazy and big stress is on that, right? So how do you fight back? How do you win? I want to give you 3 powerful steps, and then in the end, I want to tell you this one super powerful nutrient supplement which actually helps your body produce something which slows down the graying and also reverses it. First of all, the 3 steps. Step number 1, lifestyle shield. Sleep 7 to 9 hours deep. Of course, glycine before bed helps. I actually made a video about glycine, 3-minute video, very short one. It's popping up on top of the screen right now. It helps you sleep, of course, also. Cut chronic stress with daily walks, breath work, stay hydrated with electrolytes, move every hour, of course, don't be too sedentary, and ditch smoking. I mean, please guys, ditch smoking, just do it, right? Anyways, maybe I'll make a video how to ditch smoking if you are a smoker. Anyways, these lower oxidative load dramatically improves and also protects stem cell niche in your body. Step number 2, antioxidant foods daily. Antioxidants so important in that topic of hair graying and all of that, hair losing already. Very annoying for me. Load cruciferous vegetables if it's within your diet. I'm not telling you that cruciferous vegetables are very important for optimal health, not at all, but technically, or at least in accordance to science, it can help. For example, broccoli sprouts or lightly blanched broccoli for sulforaphane, berries, garlic, spinach, Brazil nuts for more selenium, pumpkin seeds for zinc, or if you want to go maybe the healthier route, meat or oysters for zinc, of course, and colorful plates, of course, if you have a lot of vitamin vitamin C, vitamin E, that can help also, of course. But in general, animal protein, animal sources, animal fat, these things are super powerful, and they cover a lot of those things which we talked about: zinc, B12, selenium, and so on, right? Fix any deficiencies if you are making a full blood panel, especially B12, bioavailable heme iron, zinc found in meat, seafood, in oysters, and so on, super important. Copper, again, found in beef liver, for example, super important. Have reversed premature graying in documented cases. Step number 3, before we are getting into the most powerful one, targeted support is solid. Multivitamin, if you want to do it, I take it separate because I really want to control the quality of any supplement I'm taking, and only take supplements where you are actually deficient in, of course. Otherwise, get it from Whole Foods, which is the best way to take your nutrients in. But otherwise, very important: zinc, selenium, magnesium, and of course also vitamin C if you are on a carbohydrate containing diet, 500 milligrams to 1 gram per day, of course, right? Wherever needed. Evidence-backed additions like calcium can in some cases be good, but honestly, I always refrain from any kind of calcium supplementation. Rather eat a little bit of cheese, honestly, guys. Whole Foods, always the best. I don't like calcium supplementation. Do these consistently and your follicles will get the friendly environment they are actually craving for. And many notice slower progression very, very fast. But if you want the absolute biggest leverage in slowing down graying, even reversing graying, the one change that hits H2O2 the fastest, stem cells, mitochondria, and the reversible pathway hardest according to the biology and the human data, it's boosting your master antioxidant, glutathione, while mastering stress resilience. And how do you boost glutathione? It's actually not glutathione itself. Specifically add NAC, N-acetylcysteine, 600 milligrams to 1.2 grams every single day. Cycle and check with your doctor. Of course, I am not a doctor. And paired with vitamin C and sulfur-rich foods. Glutathione directly neutralizes the peroxide, revives melanocyte stem cells in research, and low levels correlate strongly with worse graying. Here you have it. Share this video with your friend. Dear ladies and gentlemen, subscribe to the channel right here, and also watch this very important video. And as always, guys, bye.